This is a homemade boot dryer made out of PVC pipe, and I'll show you how it works. Inside this bench is where we store a lot of ski boots, snowboarding boots, that sort of thing. And then I've got this air blower that I used that originally came as part of an outdoor movie screen that was inflatable. You put the boots on the rack and you turn this knob for how long you want it to run. And that blows air out of all of these tubes. It's just cold air. It's drawn in from one side over here through that big bench. They say not to use hot air when drying boots like this because there's glue and adhesives in boots, especially ski boots, and that glue can come apart and we don't want to damage the boots by drying them out. When the timer runs out, it automatically shuts itself off. So this is just power coming in to what was an outlet. I moved the outlet down here and it's now wired so that this is basically just a light switch. These elbows do come off and that allows us to stick gloves or socks or other things on there as well. This piece on the end here I can take off and I can add additional legs to it. I can add, space for 3 or 4 more pairs of boots along the length of this bench. Just reduces the amount of air. So usually I just keep it capped up because we don't need that many. These arms that the boots sit on are adjustable, so you can bend them forward and back. I have attached it to the wall just with these pieces of PVC coupler that have been cut into like a U shape and screwed to the wall, and then this allows us to just clip those in. I do usually put a screw down in through there to hold it steady, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of those holding it to the wall. Anyway, thanks for letting me share this little project with you. If you decide to make something like this, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.